Battery sleeves can help your batteries in two ways: extend your battery life or maximize performance. Imagine a container full of juice representing a new battery. The height of the juice in this container represents the voltage level. The containers for these passive load devices have several faucets draining juice as the device operates. For this example, we have 10 faucets. Imagine the combined juice from these faucets flow into a passive load device, such as a flashlight. Initially, with a new battery, all 10 combined streams from the faucets allow the device to operate at maximum performance. As the device is used, the container reaches a voltage level where no more juice can drain from the top faucet, leaving one less faucet running. This device, such as a flashlight, is still on but not operating at maximum performance anymore. As more juice is drained from the container, the next highest faucet shuts off, leaving only the faucets underneath to power the flashlight, and so on. Many people throw away the batteries and replace them at this point. This is why passive load devices initially operate at maximum performance, then continue to get weaker until all the juice from the battery is used. In these passive load devices, we can maximize the performance of your device with the battery sleeve. Imagine that same container full of juice, again, representing a new battery. Now, imagine one side of that container has a pump behind the wall, constantly inflating as juice is draining. This pump, moving the wall, represents the battery sleeve. As the device is used, the closing wall allows the juice to maintain a voltage level, allowing all 10 faucets to run until the last drop of juice is used. Battery allows these passive load devices to operate at maximum performance, leaving this flashlight bright from start to finish. Now we look at active load devices. Imagine the same container, full, representing a new battery. For active load devices, there is only one large faucet on the container. The faucet in these active load devices, such as a digital camera, is located at the level called the cutoff voltage, which varies in devices. The cutoff voltage is the minimum amount of juice required in the container for the device to operate. Once the voltage level dips below the cutoff voltage, juice cannot flow to the device. There is still juice left in the container, but since it is below the cutoff voltage level, it cannot be used. Now imagine the side of that container has a pump behind the wall, constantly inflating as juice is draining. This pump, moving the wall, represents the battery sleeve. As the juice drains, the closing wall squeezes the juice to maintain the required voltage level to operate until all the juice is gone. For these active load devices, battery sleeves allows the device to tap into that juice that would have otherwise been discarded, extending your battery life. Battery Boost. Get more, waste less.